Buddha's hand is one of the most unique fruits that exist on our planet. Neither round nor rectangular, the fruit actually looks like a hand, with finger-like tentacles. The frightening-looking fruit can reach up to a foot long. Have you ever enjoyed this fruit? Watch the video till end to know more about Buddha's hand. These are a variety of citrus fruit notable for growing numerous finger-like tentacles. These are also known as fingered citrons, fragrant citrons, five-fingered mandarins, and goblin fingers. The Buddha's hand fruit grows on trees with the scientific name Citrus medicava, Sarcodactylus, a variety of citron, and it comes from the family Rutaceae, the family of citrus. When ripe, the finger-like appendages of Buddha's hands generally spread outward to take the appearance of an open hand. The color of ripe fruit range from bright yellow to orange gold shades, while unripe fruit is usually colored green. Buddha's hands grow on a plant thought to be native to parts of India and possibly China, both in Asia. It contain next to no juice and have little pulp, with many specimens containing no seeds either, and this results in a fruit which is virtually all pith and rind. A pleasant aroma is released from Buddha's hands, and as such, the fruit can be used as a perfume or to freshen air in buildings. It reaches a length of 15 to 30 centimeters, 6 to 12 inches, and the rind and the pith of the fruit do not usually have the bitterness typical with other citrus fruits. Buddha's hands are often candied and made into jams, while pieces of the fruit can be added to both savory and sweet dishes, and the zest can be used to flavor alcoholic beverages, baked goods, marinades, and other food dishes. Some of the essential health benefits of Buddha's hand include its ability to reduce pain, soothe gastrointestinal distress, boost the immune system, reduce inflammation, ease menstrual issues, lower blood pressure, and clear up respiratory illness. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel to get more interesting video like this. Press the bell to get latest updates. Share the video and give a like for this fruit. Meet you soon with a new video.